You have probably heard it since childhood. Stop cracking your knuckles, you will get arthritis. But is that really true? Let us crack this myth open. Studies, including a famous 50-year self-experiment by Dr. Donald Unger, have found no link between cracking your knuckles and developing arthritis. The pop you hear is caused by gas bubbles in the joint fluid collapsing. It might annoy people, but it will not damage your joints. So unless you are overdoing it and causing pain, you can crack away. Arthritis is not coming for you. Next time someone scolds you, send them this. Follow for more myths busted in 60 seconds.